Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a tutorial based on how you can install Twixtor for After Effects. So from here you can search for Twixtor, and here it is. Now simply click on that, and from here you have to do is you have to scroll down all the way down from here, and you can find different types of features here. Now you can do is simply you can find some benefits, some features from here. Now if you want to get a free trial or use it for After Effects, here is the After Effects. Simply click on After Effects here. Now you can see some features. Like here you can read all of them, what you will get, like texture, the Twixtor and Twixtor Pro. You can find speed changes, frame by frame, also motion blur. So from here you can scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom you can find this download option that you can download it for Mac OS or for your Windows. Now what you will get, a full version of the plugin images will be watermarked if you have not purchased a license or register key. So first purchase a license. If you have not purchased a license key, then you don't get activation key, so you can actually activate this software. Now you have to do is simply click on Windows here. Now here you can see it has just started to download. You have to wait until it downloads this zip file. So as you can see, it has just downloaded. Now you can hover over this file icon and it will take you to the files here. Now you have to do is, it is a zip file, so we just need to right click on it, and you can find the extract all option, and now extract that zip file. Now here you can see it has just extracted. Now you have to do is, you can find the installer, the exe file. You have to double click on it, and it will start installing that Twixtor for your vision effects, for your After Effects. Now you have to simply click on next, and I accept the agreement. Now again next. Now it will start installing. Now you have to add or enter the activation key. You can get the activation key whenever you have just purchased that premium plan of Twixtor. Then you can find the activation key, or you can find the file. So you can enter the offline activation code file. So you can go with any of them, then you can activate this Twixtor or the Twixtor Pro version 8 for your After Effects. Or you can click here to install the demo or floating license version. Then you can get a free trial for a certain period, or get a demo, but there is some regulations and restrictions. So I prefer you to purchase this premium plan and enter the activation key, and simply click on active, and you are all set to connect your Twixtor with your After Effects. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.